In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Slack history in one click. We've all been there, trying to find that one important conversation or piece of information buried deep in our Slack messages. Sometimes, scrolling endlessly through past chats just doesn't cut it. That's why we'll streamline your process today by showing you a neat trick that will save you time and, quite frankly, a lot of effort. To begin with, you'll need to access Slack on your desktop. If you haven't already installed the Slack app, you can simply use the web version by going to slack.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, it's time to familiarize yourself with where everything is within the Slack environment. This will be crucial as we navigate through the process together. Make sure you're on the home page or within the workspace where the conversation you're interested in is located. Now let's find your Slack history quickly. In the search bar, which is usually located at the top part of your Slack window, you'll want to click on it to enter search mode. It's designed to help you narrow down what you're looking for, so it's more efficient than scrolling through channels manually. Here is where the magic happens. You can enter a specific keyword or phrase related to your past conversations. The more specific your keyword is, the easier it will be to find what you need. But what's really handy is if you've saved or starred specific messages or channels before, you'll see them pop up easily in your search. If not, we highly recommend doing this in the future for important messages so that you can have quick access. Slack also provides filters in the search tool, allowing you to filter results by team member, date, file type, and more. Don't forget to take advantage of these features to fine-tune your search results. When your search results come up, you can click into any of the conversations, which will take you directly to that point in your history. See how simple that was? Now, you can easily get back to important discussions or files without the hassle of scrolling endlessly. As a tip, to really make things easier next time, consider using the Remind Me feature on Slack. You can right-click on a message or click on the three dots and set a reminder. This ensures that whatever crucial piece of information you need resurfaces right when you need it. To wrap it up, using Slack's search feature effectively can really transform the way you navigate your workspace. You'll save time, reduce frustration, and increase your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more productivity tips. Have a great day.